Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be focusing on trying to get some gauges installed on Project Felicity. Okay guys, here's the cluster I'm going to install, and in the interest of just really wanting to get my Wrangler inspected, I'm going to install this with just a speedometer. And yeah, I think I'm going to go and see if I can't pass inspection with only having a speedometer installed. If not, I'll come back, install more gauges, and we'll go from there. So, time lapse. Okay, status update. Gauge turns on, gauge dims, but I have no power to the TCU or my Dakota digital box. Why? I don't have a clue. So let's take that apart and figure out why I'm not getting power. It's always something. Back to work. Okay, my power wire seriously has no power. I haven't blown any fuses. I have no idea why this doesn't have power, but I have a wire up by the gauge that's an always hot. So plan B is run the wire from the gauge that's always hot, because I wasn't going to use it, and run it to this unit so I have power, because I want to get this thing inspected. So back to work. Okay guys, I still don't know why my original power wire stopped working. I'm gonna have to look into it. So for now, I've actually pulled the fuse for that wire just so I don't have to worry about causing any more problems. I have a speedometer, all my lights work, my horn works, my reverse lights work. So yeah, in the morning I'm gonna take this and try to get it inspected. So be interesting to see if I pass or fail, because clearly this is not completely put together. So, see you soon. Hey guys, it's the next morning. I just got back and I have passed my Virginia state inspection. My diesel Wrangler is road legal. I am so excited. But we're not done. There's a ton left to do. I still have to put the interior back together. I still need gauges. I need to redo my cooling fan, and this thing needs boost and fuel. I know I said you could drive it around with 65 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque. Yes, you can if you're on flat land with the tailwind. Coming back home from the inspection, I have this long hill I have to climb. 25 miles per hour. That's it. That's all she had. Foot to the floor. But I don't care. I love it. Real quick, I want to give a shout out to all the people and companies that really helped me. KubotaSwappers for 2 years of taking my phone calls and literally days of phone conversations on how this was going to work. JB Custom Fabrications for working with me on how to figure out the shifters for the doubler and the transfer case. Sent me all the parts I needed, never questioned it, and he was a huge help. And Brown Dog Offroad for helping me with the motor mounts that I wanted for the diesel engine. They truly work amazing. So if you need anything, please consider reaching out to those guys. They are amazing. So yeah, leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you know what to do. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you have, as always, you're awesome. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Goodbye.